Today we're going to be going over Scorpion Lunge. This kind of looks like our supination curtsy or curtsy lunge, something like that. But basically, we're going to use TRX to assist this. Yeah, it's a great lower body strength and stability drill. When we use something to assist it, we're not just kind of going on our own. We can get a little more eccentric load, get a little deeper into the hip if you don't have full range of motion or you just have a little tension. So it's a better way to demand more out of the hip for maybe some mobility or in-range gains. So this is what it's going to look like. So again, whatever the non-loaded foot is, this is our scorpion tail. That's where we get the name. And what we're going to try to do is maintain our body pointing forward. So this is a big key here, that we are going to think that I'm trying to keep my pelvis as parallel to the wall in front of me as I possibly could. And you know, how much you hang off this, that's up to you. But now I'm going to try to slide this leg behind me. As you can see, I'm not opening up. So I'm not trying to face this wall. That's going to change the demand on my hip. What I'm going to try to do is send my hip back directly away from the camera on kind of a 34 or 35 to 45 degree angle here. And the goal being that I don't need to tap this back foot, and also play around with how much I need the TRX in this case. We could use rings. We could use a door frame. We could use a lot of different things here. We could use a partner, and just playing around with, where do I feel this? Now, if we're feeling a really quad-centric load, one thing I would suggest is back up and really hang off that TRX and sit back into this hip. So very similar feel if you go check out a video called high kneeling sits, which is kind of a DNS high kneeling position drill. We want to feel that same thing, that we're getting into the back of my hip. I always kind of tell patients it should feel like if you were a G.I. Joe, we're just going to explode that hip out the back like I did when I was a little kid, terrorizing my toys. Switch sides. So again, my scorpion tail now is my left side. I'm trying to keep my pelvis as parallel to the wall in front of me as I can. Load the hip, extend the back leg. And those are scorpion lunges.